Hi there. I'm Surang from Englishman. Today I'm going to a very beautiful story, a total immersion, totally immersed in the English language. ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන්ම ඉංග්‍රීසි අහුනාම තමයි ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ. හොඳද කන ටියුන් වෙන්නේ. ඒකෙන්ද මෙන්න ඉංග්‍රීසි කතාවක්. මං හිතන්නේ මේක 160 වෙනි කතාව. හොඳයි අපි යන්. The Astronomer. The topic is the astronomer. Astronomer, you know what astronomer is? Astronomer is so he is really interested in astronomy, that is about stars, the planets or stars or whatever it is, astronomy. And thinking about Brahaspati, Jupiter, or whatever it is, and Venus or North Star, and things like that. And on the other hand, constellations, Danu, Makara, Kumbha, Mena, Meena, Mesha, things like that. Yeah, okay. So that is what he wants to know about. So then, that is astronomer. An astronomer used to go out of a night to observe the stars. An astronomer used to go out of a night to observe the stars. Now you cannot see stars in daytime, so therefore at night they go out to think about, to see the stars and get the real beautiful view of the stars. They go out, astronomers basically. So in that sense, in a similar manner, this astronomer used to go out. Used to means a past habit those days. This astronomer used to basically, in the past, he went to see the stars, observe stars at night, observing the night sky. Yeah. One evening, as he wandered through means going through, wandering is going here and there, wandering, not thinking about I should go to that place, I should go to that place. No, wandering is just going here and there. Yeah, you understand, I think, yeah. One evening, as he was wandering through the suburbs, that is in that place, locality, with his whole attention fixed on the sky, whole attention. So, in the classroom, when you go to classes, pay your attention, please, pay your attention, the teacher would say. Attention means fully we have to listen to the teacher, fully we have to look at the board, or fully we have to be in the particular lesson that they are teaching. So that is why they say, attention please, they would say, attention please. So here the thing is actually the whole attention fixed on the sky. Whole attention fixed on the sky. Attention was on the sky. Fixed. Fixed means, I mean, connected. Fixed. Yeah, I think you have the idea what is fixing is. Fixing. We use gum or tapes and things like that, multi-bondo, things like that, to fix things on walls, fix things on ceiling, things like that. So here the fixing is attention fixed to the stars. He is walking along, not roads, I mean here and there. So fixing his attention on stars, not on ground. Clear? Yeah. That is what is happening. So, with his whole attention fixed on the sky, he fell unawares into a deep well. He fell into a deep well. He fell unawares into a deep well. He had no idea unaware. Unaware. He had no idea. Aware, you know, you have the idea. Unaware, you have no idea. Unawares into a deep well. Into a deep well. Well is really very deep. Yeah, you can see the picture if you want. Yeah. So while he lamented, lamented, what is lamented? Lamented. When people die, when our relatives or when our loved ones die, we lament. Lamenting, you understand, right? I'm not giving you the singular term. If you want the real singular term, you should go to a English singular dictionary and you would find what is lamenting. When we feel really sad, we lament. Honey, ayo, yeah, things like that, lamenting. So here, I had to know things like that. Yeah. Due to his sores and bruises, sores, you know, sort of wounds, damaged and sort of things. He was really wounded, and therefore, due to his wounds and bruises, sort of places where, I mean, sort of broken parts of this body, that is muscles, or what we call the meaty part, broken, and then bruises, and cried loudly for help. Ayo, help me. A neighbor ran to the well. A neighbor ran to the well. Neighbor, living near. Neighbors. I do have a good number of neighbors everywhere. Neighbors, my neighbors. This one, that house. They are my neighbors. You understand, neighbors. While he lamented and bewailed his lamented due to his sores and bruises, and cried loudly for help, and neighbor ran to the well, not into the well. Neighbor ran to the well, to where the um, well is. Yeah, went to, and learning what had happened. Learn means understand. Learned, yeah. Learning, understanding, yeah. And learning what had happened, said, he learned, that is, he realized what has happened. Yeah. He understood that this guy was looking at the sky, must have been walking. Yeah. So then at that time he fell onto the well. Yeah. And learning what had happened, said, "Ha, yeah, old fellow, old guy, why in striving to pry into what is in heaven? Why in striving, trying hard? One is striving to pry into, pry means to look at, to get an idea. Why in striving to pry into what's in heaven? You always try to find what is in heaven. That is heaven. This is earth. So you always try to find things in heaven. Yeah, heaven, Venus, yeah, Jupiter, that, things like that, right? Yeah, North Star, Proxima Centauri, or whatever. So all that is heaven. Basically, people believed. So heck yeah, old fellow, why in striving to pry into what is in heaven? You always try to find what is in heaven. I say, heaven. What is in heaven? Do you not manage to see what is on earth? Do you not manage to see what is on earth? you, you are not learning about what is on earth. You are always trying to find what is in heaven. So, in a very simple way, what he says is, I say, before you are trying to learn what is in heaven, you should try to see your road, what is on earth. First, what you should learn is what is on earth. And then when you learn something about earth, when you have a good idea about earth, then just look at the heaven and try to find what is in heaven. Without learning what is in this locality, in this area, in this village, now he is trying to find, the nature of the heaven. In different stars and things like that, whether there is water in that particular star, or what is the temperature of that star, things like that. But he has no idea that there is a Gamburu Allah here, deep well in his village. He has no idea what is in his what. Yeah, that happens basically. So, really good. It teaches us, first we have to think about, in close proximity, what is around us. We have to think about our family. We have to think about our neighbors. We go to Facebook and we go to different things, and we have never seen these people. We have no idea who these people are. But right, we go to the well. People say that we are becoming, yeah, that is really a good global village. Whatever it is, first, when we are trying to think about what is outside the Facebook friends, maybe, or everything, we tend to forget what is at home, probably. So therefore, first, as days we have passed, in ancient time, people had no television, people had no cell phones, people had no Facebook, nothing, no radios even those days. And it was in 1978, the televisions came to Sri Lanka while we were doing, while we were schooling. We have started advanced level those days. And people were really, really free. They have no televisions to watch. They have no cell phones. Maybe two, three land phones, two, three telephones to a village. Maybe no telephones at all. Yeah, really. No telephones at all. A telephone is something not a basic, that it is a luxury. So things like that. So therefore, those days people were really, really free because they have nothing to do. When guys go to school, when we were going to school, those days we have a lot of things to watch in the environment. We have a very good idea about what is around us. And after school, we played a lot and we went to see friends and things like that. No phones, no televisions, nothing. That's really good. So the lesson is, so before thinking about everything in the world, just think about your locality, your friends, your families, your home, your village, your thing. Without trying to improve our local things, we try to improve. Yeah. Some people say Jordan Peterson or somebody, a doctor, Joe Peterson or somebody, I cannot remember the real name. He says something really, really important. Jordan Peterson says that people are trying to make this a beautiful world. I mean, trying to improve the standards in the country and things like that. රට හදන්න try කරනවා මිනිස්සු. කාමරය අස් කරගන්නේ. කාමරේ තමන්ගේ කාමරය අස් කරන්නේ නැති එක, තමන්ගේ කාමරේ පිළිවෙලට තියාගන්න නැති එක රට හදන්න try කරනවා. So he says that first think about your environment. Yeah, that is it. So this is really important, I think. Yeah, okay. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell icon and think about notifications. Press it on, and then you will have videos whenever I post them. And like this, and most importantly, comment. Maybe it is in Sinhala, not Urdu or Tamil, I don't understand. In English or Sinhala, it's okay in Sinhala. Please comment so that I know what you want. Bye.